Judge,
Okay,
could you re-ask him?
Okay, yeah, okay, we're back on the record in cause number 325-358, State of Texas versus Anthony Leo Moore. Now, Mr. Moore, the court previously informed you as to what you've been charged with in this motion to revoke your probation. The state is abandoning allegations 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. The state is proceeding on allegations number 2 and number 8. Allegation number 2 reads that you, Anthony Leo Moore, failed to immediately report to the probation officer your change of address as ordered by the court in violation of condition 11 of your probation order. Is that not true or true?
True.
Okay, allegation number 8 alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer your arrest that occurred on October 6th of 2021 in Harris County, Texas, as ordered by the court in violation of condition number 11 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Now, are you pleading true to allegations 2 and 8 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true to these allegations because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Moore,
Yes, sir.
did you sign a document? Well, did you sign? Well, there's a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. On the first page, there's one box that's checked, that's MTRP, which stands for Motion to Revoke Probation.
Yes, sir.
On the second page, there are 2 sets of initials. Well, there's one set of initials.
Yes, sir.
Did you place your initials on a line with a box that's checked MTRP true to allegations 2 and 8?
Yes, sir.
And on the third page of that same document, did you sign at the top of that document above, did you sign your signature above a line that is titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
And did you also sign a document that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal above the line that is titled Defendant's Signature?
Yes, sir.
And there are 2 boxes that are typed at the top of that document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you are giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Moore, before you signed and initialed these documents that I have just mentioned, did your attorney, Mr. Todd LeBlanc, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishments?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have no
Mr.
objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. LeBlanc, you have advised and counseled Mr. Moore. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
And Mr. Moore, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Moore, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 2 and 8. I will also find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your pleas and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's 60 days county jail.
Okay, Mr. Moore, the state is offering that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for any time that you are entitled to get by law. The court cost in this case is $57. Mr. Moore, will you be able to pay the $57?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Moore, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Moore, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Moore, pursuant to the Texas Administrative Code, section 176.1, I will read to you the written admonishment on ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. And it reads, in accordance with the Texas Administrative Code, section 176.1, the court hereby admonishes you of the following. Number one, you are by entry of order or judgment ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number
Yes.
two, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number three, under the Texas Penal Code, section 46.013, A, firearm means any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife blade or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is one, an antique or carry-over firearm manufactured before 1899, or two, a replica of an antique or carry-over firearm manufactured before 1899, but only if the replica does not use rimfire or centerfire ammunition. The statutes listed below are a starting point for ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. For more information about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Orders for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Penal Code, Section 46.02, Unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code, Section 46.04, Unlawful possession of firearms. Penal Code, Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse or neglect, sexual assault or abuse, indecent assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code, Section 85.026, warning on protective orders. Mr. Moore, you will be given a copy of this ammunition at the jail. This will conclude your case. Mr. Moore, you can follow the bailiff. And you have a blessed day. And all right, Mr. McClellan, this will conclude your case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Boyd, you are free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. You as well. Thank you.
All right. And this will conclude the calling of both the court's motion to revoke probation docket and the announcement docket. Both dockets scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of January 7th, 2021. In County Court of Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Oh, excuse me. This is January 7th of 2022. Yes, Mr. LeBlanc?